How to see your friend's location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see your friend's location on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Once you do that, you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. So from the appeared screen, what you're gonna do is simply tap on that location icon, which is located at the bottom left corner. Simply tap on it. So here you'll be able to see your friend's location. Now as you can see, I am able to see my friend's location here. You can also share your live location to that person or the Snapchat friends of yours if you like to. And this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and easy, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.